Where do you want to go?
Croatia.
Croatia. Straight on.
Okay, straight on.
Straight on.
Ciao. Grazie. Starting to get really hot and too much for wearing thermic clothes. This will be the last stint on a mountain pass of the Alps also, which were excellent. Then it's down into, I think, kind of a flat land, and I think it's going to be a bit boring drive up until Venice. Yeah, I can't reach the shirt. The other pannier right now can't be asked, so I'll just wear this one. Alps were beautiful, amazing ride. Took it in, which was good. Could have done more. What I did do was excellent. Snowy Alps reinforces my idea even more that Europe could be the most beautiful continent on this planet if you take in consideration nature, culture, architecture, and so much has happened here, and it's beautiful too. Really mean the continent Europe. Time will tell if it actually is so, because I haven't seen North America, you know, the Rockies and all that, or the Andes for that matter. But love to see the Rocky Mountains and ride there. It's a solid 25 degrees. Makes for great riding. So Alps, thanks again. You're nothing short of amazing. This is why we do it. Oh man, close one with the car, holy shit. Really got into it the last 5 minutes. It's so good. That's why we do it. Haters gonna hate. Took some pictures of Venice, and technically I can say that now I've been to Venice, but that's not the case. And we'll come back one day with a woman. This is the kind of thing. Take a woman to Venice, or you get wasted in Venice. Anyway, I got Kajela waiting for me in Croatia, so I'm heading out there. 200k to Rijeka. Parking people are super hostile here. Every time I walk away from my bike, they think I'm leaving my bike here. Anyway, Venice.
I can hear
It has come to my attention that there are people who are confused by my travel timeline as the journey moves forward from episode to episode. I can totally understand why, since I'm simultaneously running 2 different timelines every few episodes. So to clear things up, I'll provide some more detail about what I'm doing and why. The journey starts in Amsterdam in 2014, finalizing in Sydney in February 2016. Then, after having ridden around Australia, is where the first episode begins. So in February 2016. After the first 2 episodes in Sydney, the third episode goes back in time to 2014 in March, which was my departure day in Amsterdam in the Netherlands. I chose to do this because I didn't want to forever lag behind with my footage. By starting in the present, I can work with recently shot footage. Meanwhile, I can work with the older footage and move my way towards 2016. The ultimate goal is for the 2014 timeline to meet the 2016 timeline and come full circle. From there on, I can just continue with one timeline. Once those 2 timelines meet, I'll decide how to progress with the series. But at the moment, my main goal is to process all the past footage. So until those 2 timelines meet, you'll be able to see my current travels and my previous travels. As you have probably seen during the opening screen of all the episodes, the year and month in which the episode takes place is shown in the left-hand corner. Episodes starting in Sydney in 2016 are marked with orange, and the episodes starting in Amsterdam in 2014 are marked with green. I hope this clears things up a bit, but being able to record and edit recent footage will improve the series in the long run. At least, that's the idea. Now, let's get back to riding. Need to get to Slovenia fast.
Ahora sí. Ok, va bene, grazie. Cosa fa? Mette su YouTube dopo.
Ahora, ¿dónde? Está bien. Ok.
I can hear
massive police presence. I didn't turn on the GoPro because I didn't want to draw any suspicion in my direction, because I figured I was fucked. The lady smiled and waved me through, and I nodded and smiled, and all was good.
I can hear the
Now I remember the thing about Slovenia again. It's beautiful, and now the ride all came back to me last time. You went through it in like 2 hours or less. Good speed limit, 90. It's a goddamn relief after that whole Veneto province. Just one massive paved section of urbanized Italy. It was terrible. Really nice. I decided before to get off the highway. Good idea. Just lovely roads for the next 30 minutes. My hands are filthy. Look. Really nice. Such tranquility. That stint after Venice was just 70, 50, 70, 50, 70, 50, 70, 90, 70, 50, 70, 50, 70, 50, 90, 70, 50, 70, 50. Then that bit of highway. Péage! It's the first time I did péage. Didn't hurt that much. Sea of tranquility. Love it.
I can hear